Who doesn't love freebies? Ashe Design has thousands of Photoshop templates and offers a free download every month. I've been using them for years. Many of these templates and overlays also work with Luminar Neo. I'm Tom Cheswick and I'm a portrait photographer and mostly photograph business professionals, high school seniors, and dancers. But enough about me. Let's download this month's freebie from Ashe Design and learn how to use it with Luminar Neo. First, go to ashedesign.com, click on the freebie tab, click on the overlay, fire overlay this month, and use the code FREEBIE at checkout. If you missed this month's download, don't worry, they have something great every month. Be sure to go to the bottom of the page and sign up for the newsletter to be notified of the latest news and each month's freebie. Alright, once we downloaded the fire overlays from Ashe Design, it's time to bring them into Luminar Neo and see how easy they are to add to an image. So here's the image we're going to work on. Let's just reset that. And the actual original image is to the right. The one that we have here, just so you know, that was another free download from Ashe Design, their extreme sports texture sets. So they do have great monthly downloads. So let's take this in and edit, and adding an overlay is really easy. All we need to do is go to the layers and hit the plus sign on the left side. We'll want to load our image, and then you just want to navigate to where you have it. So I have it in my resources, overlays, and Ashe Design, and those are the fire overlays. So let's just pick one here, and we'll open it up. And then to add it to your image, just click on it from the left-hand column, and it will bring it in. So next, we want to resize it. I'm just going to bring the opacity up to 100 so it's a little easier to see it. And if we hold down the shift key on the corner, it will keep it in proportion, but you don't have to do things in proportion either. You can just drag in from the side if you want to squish it. And I'm going to kind of do that a little bit so it looks like it's around the ball a little bit more. And that's looking great to me right there. And then with Ashe Design, it's the blending modes that they will change. A lot of times they'll do lighten or screen, and you can see how that looks there. If you want it the strongest, probably want to keep it on normal. And pro tip, since everything is on its own layer, you can go into that layer and make refinements. So we could go into develop, we could lighten the fire, we could darken the fire, whatever we'd like to do to enhance. We can use any of these modules. Very cool. So that's how quick and easy it is to add it. Once we're there, we can just go back to our original one, and we can do any retouching on that image as well. And then when we're ready, we can just save the image by exporting it to the disk. Again, a super quick tutorial on how easy it is to use these free overlays from Ashe Design. They have a lot of great products. You may end up buying some. I know I have. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this tutorial. This channel is about you. I want to help you learn and grow as a photographer. So be sure to leave comments if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for future videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I look forward to our next tutorial. Take care.